Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Smita Sakote on a Mission Beauty Sundarmi Honarats. And in the series of interviews with dermatologists all over India, we have come up with a wonderful interview with Dr. Rajeshri Vagchaure. And the topic is extremely exciting. The topic is exercise and beauty. Definitely, you are going to wonder, how can you link exercise with beauty? Definitely, we are going to know from Dr. Rajeshri, because she has done 2000 kilometers cycling and she has run 500 kilometers. So I have seen her journey after her diploma course when she had joined in the government medical college with me. I used to see her doing this wonderful cycling and exercise, and every day I noticed that she was looking sparkling beautiful and her skin was glowing as days passed. And then I realized the importance of exercise and beauty. Dr. Rajeshri has done her MBBS from Government Medical College, Aurangabad, and after that she has done her diploma in Ashwini Hospital in Sholapur. For 2 years she has worked in VM attached SCSMR Government Medical College attached hospital for 2 years, and she has a vast experience of seeing varied number of dermatological cases. Right now she is a medical director in the Vagchaure Hospital, which is a 25 bedded hospital, and she is doing her cosmetic dermatology practice. And let me tell you, she is a mother of 2, though now because of this exercise she looks young as if she is newly married. So ye hai Raz, exercise and beauty ka. So here we present to you Dr. Rajeshri. Welcome Dr. Rajeshri on this Mission Beauty.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for warm welcome and also giving me such a nice opportunity on your big platform. And I'm very happy to share my all experience of exercise and cycling. It will surely help all wonderful ladies of yours, all viewers.
Yes.
And yes, ma'am.
These are all these 40 plus ladies, Dr. Rajeshri, on our group, on Mission Beauty. And definitely I want to emphasize the importance of exercise, cycling, walking, yoga. India is on the panorama where Modi Sarkar has, worked on International Yoga Day. So there are so many things happening in India. So exercise is a part and parcel, and definitely COVID also has taught us that if you have good health, definitely you can sail through, and a good health always emanates as a beautiful skin. My first question to you, Dr. Rajeshri, is, can you just enumerate in short what are the aging signs which usually we see beyond the age of 30?
Beyond the age of 30, we commonly see the wrinkles, uneven skin tone, dark spot like melasma, peach, dark circles under the eyes, and change of face counter. Your jawline droops by some centimeters, or you can see it, feel it, and gray hairs, and all these signs we notice in our face.
Yes. I now want you to share your personal experience as to how you began cycling, and what is your experience of cycling, and how did you notice changes in your skin. So just in short, I want your experience of exercise.
Yes, ma'am, I will share. When post pregnancy, I was 72 kg, and I was in the daily routine I was doing it very well, but there was no fresh feeling, lots of laziness, and after when I started cycling, because we taken a W plus duathlon. Duathlon is a cycling and running combining activity of W plus, and you have to do cycling 25 kilometer and 5 kilometer running on the same day in 3 hours constantly. So for this target I have to do the practice for this target, and from that day I started cycling, and I not stopped yet, and I completed up till now constant motivation. And my sister-in-law also is a Iron woman. She is practicing in the Pune. She is a dentist. So every motivation I have in house, so they are keeping pushing me always for this nice exercise, and every exercise they push me.
Wonderful, wonderful. So you have an Iron Man and you have an Iron Lady, and I am very sure, Dr. Rajeshri, you are going to be an Iron Woman one day, definitely. I want to know, do you see a sea of change in your looks, in your beauty, in your overall presentation after you started doing this cycling post 72 kg of your post pregnancy? What was that experience of your look change?
Yes, cycling is basically, ma'am, aerobic activity. So when you do the cycling, it will increase your blood circulation. It will increase your muscle tone, improves muscle tone, and so as the muscle tone improves, your skin tone improves, your oxygenation level in the blood improves, and it will in breathing when you breathe routine in the routine. It will you never notice it is not rhythmic breathing. When you do cycling, rhythmicity in breathing comes, so that improves the oxygen level in the blood. So it will improve your oxygen. It will give you more stamina. It will feel energetic throughout the day, and you will see for your hydration. You will your dryness of the skin reduces, and skin tone improves.
Wonderful. So very simple. The cycling is going to create a rhythmic breathing. One. Second, it is going to improve the oxygen level which supply to your every little cell of your body, including your skin. So a rich oxygen, once it is supplied, definitely our skin starts glowing beautifully. Yes. Can you suggest some different exercise so that we can have a glowing skin, Dr. Rajeshri?
Yes, ma'am. I will mention. There are many simple exercises, and you can do it in 15 minutes of daily your time. And there are simple exercise of rubbing your palm. This is the ancient method. Many grandparents and our parents tell us this is you will rub your palms and you will keep on your face. When you wake up in the morning, it will transmit energy of your palms to your face, and when you do it regular, it will you will feel fresh. And other are Hanuman mouth. Sit in the mudra position and inhale as much as air in your mouth, and you will hold your breath, and again hold the breath and exhale. Any exercise you should do it 3 times, and it will and later when you will you have time, you can increase the number of times. And third one is the hold pose. Your index finger, you can do it when you are going to bed. Just take the index finger and keep in the mid of forehead and do the circular movements and relax. Take your both the thumbs and place on your nostrils. Hold the breath and move your chin to your chest and exhale. This is the hold pose. And for puffiness of eyes and dark circle, make the V of your index finger and middle finger. We use the middle and index finger because these are directly related to your central nervous system. So it will benefit you more. And this V you will keep on your both eyes, and you will blink your eyes for 4 to 5 times. And you will when you will do it, you will feel the freshness over your skin, and it will reduce your puffiness and dark circles. And these are exercises for glowing of skin. And anti-aging yoga, I will tell you. Kiss the 15 minutes. And this kiss the skies pose, when you have to inhale and you will see upwards and just pout and exhale. This will contract your all jaw muscles and face muscles, and it will release the tensions of the muscles and improve the blood circulation. Now squeeze pose. Squeeze pose, you have to contract the squeeze your face like this, and this will improve you, contract all muscles, and it will clear the toxins. Now massage of the face with the index finger for the nasolabial fold and fine wrinkles over the your face. So index finger is you have to fold index finger, and this is the nasolabial fold. So you will massage from upwards to downwards, laterally towards the lips. For this is improve your nasolabial wrinkles. It will reduce your nasolabial fold and smooth. And for the fine wrinkles, this folded index finger you will massage from inwards to outwards like this. It will improve the fine wrinkles over the face. These are all exercises.
Wonderful. So these are very simple basic exercises, and especially the first one which you told. I mean, in our spiritual this thing, you know, as soon as we get up, our parents have taught us to, you know, rub our hands and we say Karagre Vasti Lakshmi. So we definitely say Stotra, and then that's how we welcome this day. So that is very beautiful and simple. Definitely we will put some nice pictures, so that in case you are unable to understand this, we will put some nice pictures which you will be able to follow that, the exercises. My next question to you, Rajeshri, is what is the role of massage in the glowing skin?
Yes, we all know in facial, in beauty parlors, there is lots of massage oils are used, and main purpose of facial is to clear the skin, to blemish, to tighten the skin, to remove your impurities and give nutrition to skin, and it will hydrate skin too. And many massage oils are available that they are medium for giving massage to your skin. They make your when you massage the skin, they will make easily glide media for over the skin, and they will give the nutrients to the skin like vitamin C, vitamin E. And it will hydrate the skin. So your skin will glow after the facial and massage to the skin.
Wonderful. So it's
simple
basically
tapping also you increase the glow of skin.
So use of any kind of oil or a moisturizer will help the gliding movement, and it will improve the vascularity, and definitely the skin will look more supple because the moisture level increases. I would like to know, is there any take home back message that you would like to give to this women on Mission Beauty?
Yes, exercise are really helpful because they make you increase your stamina, and when you push yourself and break your comfort, new magical adventure to you welcome to your life. And when you will go for any exercise or cycling, it will make your skin glow, and glowing skin will make push you for any exercise or cycling, I will say.
So it's getting into the right cycle of life. Exercise, cycle, and have a glowing skin. And once you have glowing skin, you still would like to maintain the glowing skin, so you go on cycling. So it's getting into the cycle of wonderful exercise of cycling. Can you tell us some example or something which is memorable during your cycling time, you know, as a passing entertainment to our women, you know? How did you enjoy cycling, or is there something which you would like to share with the women, some experience of cycling?
Daily I used to do cycling for 1 hour then I meet many of my friends. Then in the starting of the day, I will feel fresh. I will share some experiences with them. So daily, this is the routine for me. So in the morning, when my day start with the freshness, all this freshness give me full energy for my day, for making my day.
Wonderful, wonderful. So cycling and meeting friends in the beginning of the day, I don't think there can be a better start of the day. You know, having laughter sessions with our own friends, and when you cycle, the breeze flows through your face, and you know, it's like the breeze kissing our skin, and you breathe fresh oxygen, and apart from that, you feel energetic. There is adrenaline rush. So all these positive things can happen if you begin your day with cycling or exercise. As I end this session, Dr. Rajeshri, I would like you to comment something on this Mission Beauty Sundarmi Honarats. In next 3 years, I have decided that through online, I would like to teach the women the experiences of beauty, and I would like to share all the knowledge possible from dermatological point of view. And in next 3 years, I would like to make 1 lakh mid-age women beautiful. So this is my mission. So would you like to say something about me or about the Mission Beauty? Would you like to say something about it, Dr. Rajeshri?
Yes, ma'am. This is very wonderful mission, and it will be really helpful for every woman. And best wishes for this mission, ma'am. And as a person and as a teacher, I know you from many years. You are very wonderful and very inspiring always for any of our doubts and any aspects of our life. Thank you for being there, ma'am.
Thank you for sharing this wonderful time. I know your 2 kids must be waiting with you in the evening, but still you have taken in time and opportunity to share this beautiful knowledge in regards to exercise and beauty. So you women out there, stay tuned with us, because we are going to come up with wonderful such magical tips. So today's magical tip was simply exercise and have a glowing skin and say goodbye to that aging process that is happening. So in Mission Beauty Sundarmi Honarats, please stay tuned. Have a great day. May God bless you all the beautiful women out there. Thank you, Dr. Rajeshri.